Hi everyone, it's Josh from TradingPriceAction.com. In today's currency spotlight, we're going to be taking a look at two currency pairs on the 4-hour chart. The first currency pair we're going to be looking at is the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Now, on this chart, I've marked a strong support resistance zone right here with this maroon line right here. As you can see, this bar right here burst through, prices come up, and it looks like it's retracing back to this broken resistance turn support line. So ideally what we're going to be looking for right here is for this bar that's currently forming. Let's mark it. This bar right here that's currently forming, for prices to go back up in this bar and form a large pin bar. That would be the ideal situation for a pin bar to form in this bar right here, and then for us to enter long right here. That would give us a good with the trend trade on a strong support zone and a good looking bullish pin bar. But if this does not happen, if this does not turn into a bullish pin bar, what we're going to be looking for is for either prices to come through, pull back, and then a bearish price action trade out of the form, and then we're going to enter the trade short, or we're going to look for prices to stay above this support line and then retest it again somewhere down the line right here, and then we're going to look for a bullish price action trade up again to go long. So again, ideally what we're looking for is this bar right here to turn into a bullish pin bar, which we will then take a trade to go long. So that's what we're looking for on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar 4-hour chart. The next chart we're looking at is the Euro Australian dollar 4-hour chart. Now, as you can see, I have marked a strong support and resistance zone on the chart right here. As you can see, this is a very, very strong support zone right here for all these bars. It's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, over 10 times right here. So you probably get the idea. This is a very strong and well-respected support zone. And since prices right here have recently burst through this strong resistance turn support, what we're going to be looking for is for prices to stay in this area, and then for them to drop down right here, form a bullish price action trade setup on this support line right here, and then for us to go long. That would be what the first scenario that we're looking for. The second scenario that we would be looking for is for prices to shoot back down through this support zone, turn resistance, shoot back down, come up, retest this resistance, this support turn resistance zone, and then a bearish price action trades up the form, and then we're going to enter short. That's what we're going to be looking for on this chart. So that's it for today's currency spotlight. Hope you guys have learned some things and take some notes for these two currency pairs, so you guys will be watching for in the near future to look for a couple trade setups. So until tomorrow, safe trading you guys.